Today I'll be going over using problem-solving strategies and models, which is basically like this whole section is just all word problems. Okay, so I have 6 examples that we're going to go through. The first one, John spends $75 at the OC Fair. General admission is $12 and each ticket is 50 cents. Maybe this is after Corona and that's why it's so cheap. Okay, how many tickets did he buy? So, this is his total. And the $12 for the general admissions, this is a one-time fee. Like, he doesn't pay that more than once. And it says each ticket is 50 cents. So this is what he pays, like, per person. So we know that the price that he pays per person plus the general admission is going to equal the total. And to start these problems, you always want to write a let statement, which is let whatever variable you want, I'm going to use x, equal whatever you're substituting that variable for. So for this problem, I'm going to let x equal the number of tickets bought. Oops, tickets. So 50 cents times the number of tickets bought plus the $12 general admission fee will equal 75. And then now we want to solve for x. So to get x by itself, we're going to subtract 12 on both sides. And 0.5 is also the same as 1/2. I just rewrite it so that, I don't know, I think fractions are easier for me when we're solving. And then 75 minus 12 is 63. So to get rid of the fraction, we're going to multiply by 2. So that's why I like changing it into a fraction. But you can leave it as a decimal if you want to. So then x will equal 126. So the answer is 126 tickets. Okay, so that's the first one. Next we have Felix has a piece of wood that is 72 inches long. He cuts the wood into 2 pieces. The second piece is 40 inches longer than the first. How long is each piece? So this is the total length that he started with. And he says the second piece is 40 inches longer than the first. So if we call the first one x, since we don't know what it is, that means the second piece is going to be x plus 40. So in our let statement, it would be let x equal first piece, or shorter piece. Either one is fine. And so we know that the 2 pieces added together is going to equal 72. So we have the first piece, which is x, and the second piece, which is x plus 40, and that's going to equal 72. So then now to solve, we're going to combine like terms. So x plus x is 2x plus 40 equals 72. And then to get x by itself, we're going to subtract 40 on both sides. So 2x equals 32. Divide by 2. And x equals 16. So the question is, how long is each piece? So we also have to find out how long the longer piece is. So that was the short one, and the longer one is 40 inches longer. So it'd be x plus 40, which is going to be 16 plus 40, since we know that x is 16, so it's 56. So we have the short piece is 16 inches and the long piece is 56 inches. And don't forget to include units in your answer. Okay, so here are the first 2 examples. Okay, here's the next 2. For new 1-year membership at LA Fitness, the new 1-year membership, wait, Yeah. The new 1-year membership at LA Fitness costs $160. A registration fee of $28 is paid upfront and the rest is paid monthly. How much do new members pay each month? So the 160 is the total that they pay in 1 year. The $28 is a one-time fee since they pay that upfront, and the rest is paid monthly. So there's 12 months in a year. So it'll be 12 times however much they pay. So our let statement is going to be let x equal the amount or the cost per month, since that's what we don't know. So the one-time fee of $28 and the and however much they pay per month times 12 will give us the total. So 12 times however much they pay per month will give us the 160 that they pay for 1 year. So to solve this, we're going to subtract 28 on both sides. And then we get 12x equals 132 divided by 12. X equals 11. So that means it costs $11 per month. Sorry, that little line kind of bothers me. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there's the first one. And then the next one we have, or I guess that was the third one. Okay, the next one, Hero buys Dole Whip and spends $51. He buys two different types, soft serve and floats. He buys 3 more floats than soft serve. Floats cost $6 and soft serve costs $5. So, we can call the soft serve X since we don't know how much, or yeah, how many he bought, and then the floats would have to be x plus 3 since he bought 3 more floats than soft serve. And then the $51 is his total. And we're given the price for the floats and the soft serve. So we're going to let x equal number of soft serve. So since the total is a money amount, that means we have to multiply the cost of the floats and the soft serve to the number of floats and soft serve that we buy. So for the soft serve, each one is $5 and oh, let me use white. Each one is $5 and we buy X of them. So that will give us the total money that we spent on the soft serve. And then for the floats, that would be 6 times x plus 3, since they're $6 each, and we bought 3 more floats than soft serve. And we spent a total, or he spent a total of $51. So then now to solve this, we're going to first distribute. So 5x plus 11x plus 18 equals 51. And then we're going to combine like terms here since they both have an x. So 16x plus 18 equals 51. And then we're going to subtract 18. So 16x equals 33. Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up. Oops. Okay. 6 times x is 6, not 11. Okay, so this, sorry, I keep clicking on the wrong button. Okay, this should be 11 and this should be 11. Okay, so 11x equals 33. And then we want to divide by 11. So x equals 3. So that means for the soft serve, he bought 3 of them. And then for the floats, he bought 3 more. So he bought 6. Okay, so there are the 2 examples on this page. And then here are the last 2. The football team purchased equipment and uniforms for a total cost of $912. So this is our total. The equipment cost $612 and the uniforms were $25 each. So this is a one-time fee and this is per person. So how many uniforms did the school purchase? So we're going to let x equal the number of uniforms bought. So to find that, we would add the equipment plus the cost of the uniforms and that'll give us our total. So the equipment is 612 plus 25 times x, so depending on the number of uniforms that we buy, we have to multiply by 25 to get the total cost of the uniforms, and that's going to equal $912. So then to solve, we're going to subtract 612 to get x by itself. So 25x equals, 300. And then divide it by 25. So x equals 12. So the answer would be 12 uniforms. Okay, and then for the next one, a farmer has a 34-foot plot of land and wants to plant lemon trees, which are 6 feet wide. If he wants to plant 3 trees with equal space between each tree and no trees on the edge, how much space should he leave? So, the 34 feet is the total that we have, and then the 6 feet is for each of the lemon trees. So what we want to know is the amount of space. So we're going to let x equal, let x equal amount of space. And this is a lot easier to visualize if we draw it. So I'm going to draw a picture. So here is the 34 feet that we have total. And then like from here to here is 6 feet. This is our lemon tree. Here to here, and oh no, I kind of ran out of space. Let me try extending this line. Okay, and then from here to here would be another 6 feet. So the space in between would all be x, because we want there to be equal space. So for this problem, we know that 34 is the entire thing, and we can just add up like all of this part and they'll have to equal 34, since that's how we want it to be spaced out. So there are 4 total x's, so 4x plus, and we have 3 of the 6-foot trees, and that has to equal 34 feet. So 4x plus 18 equals 34. To solve for x, we have to subtract 18. And then 4x equals 16. Divide both sides by 4. And we'll get x equals 4. Uh-oh, my computer just turned off. Okay, it's still there. Alright, it's fine. Okay, so then that means it's 4 feet of space. Okay, so here are the last 2 examples. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you with word problems, since I know a lot of people get scared of them. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!